name is Ole Nygaard. I'm the Managing Director of ProCutter AS here in Frederikshavn. We do various pipe systems, we do steel construction, and we do refrigeration for multiple industries. And we have been wanting a machine like this for a while, because we could of course see the benefit in it. So when you got the opportunity to go into this business with HGG, we took the chance, so we made a step forward and made the arrangement with them. It's for various pipe applications, both for fluids handling or for construction.
Here our materials comes home from the wholesaler. You see there's many different kinds of pipe laying here, also some over there. And from here it is been taken into the machine, next to the machine, where the cutting process will start.
This here is our storage for the pipe, and it's on each shelf we know exactly which pipe is in the shelf with charge numbers, with the thickness and diameter.
We do many different kinds of pipes, not only 2-inch or 3-inch pipes all the time. We do sometimes 2-inch pipes, sometimes it's 12 or 14-inch pipes. So it has to be able to cover most ranges that are usually produced here in our workshop.
When we have to galvanize these things, we have to drill small holes, and the machine will burn small holes, so it's not necessary, and will earn a lot of time.
Well, it's of course important that the machine can do many different cuts. It has to be cover the difficult profile as well, because otherwise you can use a saw and a beveling machine instead.
For 10 pieces here we normally use 4 hours for grinding and making the holes, and grinding here, grinding the edges, and now we can do the same thing in half an hour.
Well, the machine of course shortens the pipe, it bevels the pipe, it makes preparations for the further process, which is of course in our case welding, and it makes the welding job a lot easier, because the parts just fits together very nicely afterwards. We save a lot of time doing the weld preparation. Before we did it manually with a cutting torch and a grinder, and it was very time consuming. So now we save a lot of man hours.
And you can see it's beveled and prepared, and here the fitters put it together, make some tack welds, and then it's transferred to the other side of this cabin and finish welded. Yeah, and over here we have the finished welding line. After it comes over here, it's tack welded, and he completes all the welds, and we bring it out here where we have the finished product. Okay, over here we have a clarification unit, which is also used in the offshore industry. It involves 2 tanks and a lot of piping. You see a couple of spool pieces down there, which has been made on the machine. Look from this side, you can see many places where we put on nozzles and we cut hold in the pipe, and this is also done by the machine. The rooftop unit, which produces cold water for air conditioning purposes, and it recycles the heat, and it is put into floor heating in the building as well. Alright, these pipes here is actually accumulator tanks used for the cold fluid that is in this refrigeration system.
We program it from the office, from a desk top in the office, and we can transfer the drawing or the cutting program directly to the machine. Before we maybe printed out paper or we handed out the instruction manually, so it has been quite an improvement. We get and we build things that we did not do before, and there's new markets also opening for us.
So this big project is a fixture to put in monopiles for windmill farm correctly in the surface on the open sea. So this job is doing all the pipes, preparing all the pipes through our plasma cutter to make all the calculation, the time calculation, and also the program could give us the amount of material going on for this job as a part of the calculation of the weldings.
So this is actually some chiller plants we had to make for offshore installation. The capacity of this is approx 2 megawatts. For this plant we had to make 3 of these units, so it's a big offshore platform. We make certain that all the weldings are approved and all the certificates on it's our job. We paint it, we make the complete electrical installation. It had to be finished with a factory acceptance test by the customer in the last end, so you come here and look if it's okay.
The importance is, of course, reliability and quality. Reliability on that you can deliver, the right quality, that you can deliver on time, and that you can deliver with the right documentation. The industry is very conservative, and it's very important that you keep a good relationship with the customer. That he really trusts you and your ability to deliver time on and time on again.